Hello class, welcome to another week discussion, and this week our discussion is based on data types and its applications to business data. First of all, I'll talk about primitive data. So when you say primitive data, it's a type of data which is built into programming language. Programmers use this type of data for coding because it does not involve more sophisticated data for representation. This type of data involves integers, floating numbers, and individual characters in the text. It is used in business data because it doesn't require large amount of data for representation, because characters simply correspond to a single reference point in chart, and integers are numbers that do not need complex identifiers such as exponents and decimal points. This means that organizations use primitive data when they are making representation, and it's easy for them because maybe if organization has 100 customers, they use the total number of customers that they have by not listing the names of each customer. They use the total number, that the number that they have when making representation, and also this will help them to group their customers and make a simple chart for representation. That's a primitive data. Secondly, I'll move to collection data or data collection. When you say data collection, it's the process of collecting and gathering information to a specific field of interest. Data collection in business can retrieve data such as sales, financial data, online data, social media data, inventory data, and many more. Data gathering is important because it improves problem solving and decision making in a business, because managers and employees have all the information that they needed at their hand of disposal when making decisions, and also it enables them to eliminate inefficiencies in any decision that they make. Managers can have greater understanding of what is occurring daily in their business, because there might be a chart that will be flowing, or they'll be showing that the company is making loss, the company is making profit day in, day out, based on what they have programmed. The best data collection allows business to understand more about their customers. It also helps to create better marketing campaigns, which improves customer satisfaction and saves money. Data collection can be collected in various forms, but the most approved forms can be collected in qualitative or quantitative. A study shows that 49% of professionals claim that qualitative data and quantitative data help them to make better decisions, and 10% claim that qualitative data and quantitative data improves relationship with customers and various stakeholders. Talk of object data. Object data is a data which is stored, is a storage data that contains a value or group of values. Each value can be accessed using its identifier or a more complex expression that refers to the object. In addition, each object has a unique data type. The data type of an object determines the value allocation for that object and the interpretation of the values during subsequent access. So based on all the data types that have been discussed, I'll go in for primitive data type because it is the most basic data type available within the Java language. The types of primitive data, which is boolean, bytes, char, short, int, long, float, and double, serve as the building blocks of data manipulation in Java. Such types serve only one purpose, and it contains pure, simple values of its kind. Thank you.